Okay, here we are, the magic of film, the magic of film. And we're gonna move this other one out the way a little bit. We're gonna move that out the way a little bit. Now you can see the runners on the back, and we'll pan in a little bit so you can see the runners. Now you can see the runners here, and the runners here. The runners here and the runners here. Now we got 4 runners on. This one, and this one. Now, what does the runners do? The runners keep the shoes what we call tracking. We get a positive track. In other words, when the shoes are running through the water, they run in a straight manner. So you don't have to keep trying to make adjustments. The shoes run in a pretty well a straight manner. So that's why we have the runners. Now we can make bigger runners. Now the runners there are about this diameter. It's about a ½ inch or so across. But we can make these runners bigger, so they can track better, and so you don't get a side slip, and you don't use so much effort on your oars. So every time you paddle, the shoes don't be wiggling around and all this, So you can change these out and put a thicker one in, a smaller one in. Depending on what you're doing, you can adjust this out. Now, this total shoe is adjustable, and this is one of the main factors associated with the Ninja water shoe. It's not like a plastic boat. Now, the problem with the plastic boat, you buy a plastic canoe or a plastic kayak, you can't change anything on it. The thing is plastic. You can't be knocking holes and all this in a plastic canoe or kayak. Once it's made, that's it. You buy a plastic canoe or kayak, you get a plastic canoe or kayak. But this water shoe is slightly different. And we'll show this in a little bit. It's collapsible. Well, let's look at this thing real close. Now you see this line right here. You see this line across here. The shoes come apart. The shoes are not solid foam. It's 3 pieces of foam. It's the top piece, the middle piece, and a lower piece. Now, and we're going to get into that just a little bit so we can define that. And this is one of the basic definitions of the defining parts of the water shoe, and that is it's a transformer. It transforms from one item to another item and back to the other item, and it can move and adjust to what you want to do. So we're going to go and look at this just a little bit real quick. We'll be right back.